Hey everybody, it's the Doll Boy, and today I'm unboxing and reviewing the brand new Disney Store Megara doll. And giving her a quick restyle as well. About a week ago, the European Disney stores released brand new dolls for Megara, Esmeralda, Wendy, Alice, and Tinkerbell. Once they popped up online, I went right ahead and ordered some of them. They did take longer to arrive than the expected delivery date, but they're here now and I'm so excited. I received the Shop Disney box that had a Toy Story theme. Honestly, it really surprised me how cute this box was and how much detail there was in the design. Inside this box was my order of Wendy, Esmeralda, Megara, and Alice. I will do a separate review for all of them, but let me tell you that they're all so pretty. On my Instagram @thedollboy, I asked you which review you wanted to see first, and a lot of votes went to Megara, so here she is. Please leave a comment down below letting me know which of the dolls you want to see next. Megara comes in this window style box that says Disney's Hercules Megara. And it has some Hercules inspired artwork on the side. And an outline of Megara as well. Then on the back, we have more art for the movie, which looks really cool. On the bottom of the box, it shows you the price, which is about 17 euros or 13 pounds. Then on the other side of the box, we have some more movie-inspired art as well. To unbox the doll, you can remove the plastic really easily with the tabs on the sides and on the top as well. The top ones do have some clear tape on them, so if you want to keep the box perfect, be really careful of that. Then that paper front and back is also pretty easy to take off, so that you can only have the cardboard back, which shows you the tags the doll is held in place with. I always prefer to cut all those tags from the back to limit any chances of cutting the doll. And then we finally have our Disney Store Megara doll out of the box. She was also secured with one of those clear rubber bands that I do like to keep because they're really nice and strong. Right out of the box, her hair is gelled in place to keep that curl, but you can separate that ponytail into separate curls, which still felt quite soft too, despite all the gel. On the base of the ponytail, Meg is wearing this golden rope detail, which actually velcros in the back, so you can take it off really easily. The ponytail is pretty long when you stretch it out, but I do wish they gave her a lot more hair for that really voluminous ponytail she has in the movie. Megara's dress is pretty movie accurate, but does have that typical Disney Store glitter on it. I do really love the design, and to be fair with the glitter, this dress goes really well with the other princesses. Then to keep the volume of the skirt, the dress is supported by a lot of paper too. Underneath the dress, the doll is wearing flat sandals on her flat feet. Meg comes with the regular points of articulation for the Disney princess dolls, with movements at the shoulder, elbow, wrist, waist, and a band and snap knee. Her face is so stunning and it really captures the character in my opinion. But there were some glitter speckles on the face, but then again, so were my hands after unboxing her. Then for Meg, I did find a very close Made To Move Barbie match in the purple top Made To Move doll. The skin tone of the Barbie is a bit more pink than Megara's, but I feel like it's close enough, so I did go ahead and do the body swap right after rinsing the product from her hair. For this, I changed her into a more casual outfit that I don't mind getting wet. I took out all the hair accessories and rubber bands as well. This also gives you a great look at the rooting pattern of the doll. She does not have that rooted part in her hair, but her bang area is really nicely parted and thatched to make sure that there are no bald spots visible. To keep this section neat while rinsing the hair, I wash out both sections separately. For this step, I simply use cold water and make sure to rinse out all of the gel before brushing the hair out with a comb. The hair did give me some shedding, and some strands had some really frizzy ends. After cutting those out though, the hair looked really good again. Once all of the product was gone from the hair, I warm up the head in very warm water to remove the head from her original body. Then I take my Made To Move body and simply put the Megara head on the new body to complete my new hybrid Megara doll. Then after that, I did my long ponytail method on her to make her hair appear a lot longer, and gave the hair some nice curl as well. And that's the finished product. I really love how this Megara doll looks, and I'm really happy to finally own her. If you like her as much as I do, be sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for the other reviews. Please leave a comment down below letting me know which of the dolls you want to see next. If you want to see more pictures of these Disney dolls, follow me on Instagram too, @thedollboy. See you next time!